There's a number of kinds. Yeah, there's a number of kinds, so I don't. It would do to learn the different kinds since I'm seeing them constantly out here. Learn the different kinds.
Get your little handbook on geology.
Yeah. In particular, they might be even one the geology of this.
Might be. Oh,
yeah.
You can get anything online, can't you?
Pretty much. Yeah. Finding the best source takes a little work. You know what I mean? There's better sources, but you for real can find information on just about anything.
You gonna go straight, or which way?
Well, we're just around that, so we can follow this trail and then go that way with the trail. Well, as far as lived, South Carolina, Air Force 3 years, which only took me a couple spots. Yeah. Primarily back to South Carolina.
Where did you say you were in? Oh, this is kind of cool. I mean, it's cool, it's really cool. Where did you say you were in South Carolina?
Sumter.
Sumter. I think
it's about 40 miles from Columbia and Florence and Myrtle Beach. It can't be exactly that, but I don't think.
So you grew up near the beach?
Yeah, within 40 miles of the beach, and we only went, the family just did not do beach. So I only went there like twice in my whole life.
You're kidding?
During growing up, yeah. And both times I got a miserable burn and did not want to go back. I mean, miserable. Big blisters and stuff.
I understand that. I do understand that term very well. I've got my little story about that too.
And I think once I was wearing a t-shirt, but apparently once a t-shirt gets wet, well, yeah. I mean, and they're not 100% light blocking anyways. No. Which I did not know at all. But then once you get wet, I'm pretty sure it just goes through.
It's over.
So there I was in the water with a wet t-shirt on. I'm getting burned horribly.
Because knowing what I know now, I lived in the beach. Man, you couldn't keep me away from it.
Let's see. See if this light doesn't destroy the picture, but I'd love to catch the light through those leaves, but so it's a challenging situation. Too much light, but there ought to be some way to get it. Well,
so what year did you graduate from Sumter?
76.
Yeah, okay, well, that's like
we thought that was super cool.
You and I were about the same age. I graduated in 75.
Aha. Yeah, we might not be quite as much as a year, maybe less than a year, depending on when you went into school. I don't know why I'm going this way. Anyways, it's a trail. It's a way.